Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Let me take you through the value offerings of CAT category. You're currently viewing the homepage of a learner who has Plus subscription. To start with, there are multiple options available to a Plus subscriber like batches, test series, practice, and many more. Let me show you how you can find all the features on the learner account in the website. To start with, batches. You can find the list of batches. Once you scroll down, the list of batches are available here. You can either choose to find an upcoming batch, ongoing batch, or a completed batch. You can enroll for a batch by clicking on that particular batch and clicking on the enroll icon. Once you're enrolled for a batch, you will be notified with all the upcoming sessions of that particular batch. You scroll down in that batch, you will find all the sessions that are in this particular batch. Secondly, educators. You can find the list of all the educators at one place. These are the list of all the CAT educators. Let me take an educator by random. You can click the follow button in order to follow this educator so that you will be notified when he or she creates or makes a course live or has an upcoming special class. At the same time, you can find the entire schedule of this educator in the CAT category here. By clicking on this particular option, you can view the plus on upcoming plus course for this particular educator and at the same time upcoming special class as well. And you can also do the same thing for in terms of a completed course or a completed special class as well. Now coming to the third option is upcoming courses. You will be able to view all the upcoming courses right here. This is a list of only the upcoming courses. In case you're planning to enroll for a particular course, click on that particular course and click on the enroll button. Coming to the next feature is the test series. You can find this on the home page here. In this, it shows a list of ongoing test series, both free and for Plus subscribers. For free users, it will be mentioned as free. You can click on any one of it, whichever series you want to enroll, click on it and click on the enroll icon. Same like how you do for the courses. The next feature is called as the practice session. Here you will have a list of all the questions under multiple topics. And these are all the subjects under the CAT category, QA, DILR and VARC. Let's choose a particular topic and you can select a particular subtopic and start a practice for that particular topic. And this is how you could do it. Lastly, let me highlight on the doubt solving session which is available for Plus courses. Let me choose a Plus course here. Now you can see that this Plus course has two doubt clearing sessions, and this is the same that appears in all the courses, Plus courses as well. So learners, these are all the features available on the website version of Plus subscription. Let's crack it. Thank you.